Hamilton Harbour, also known as Burlington Bay, lies at the western tip of Lake Ontario. 200 years ago, the harbour was very much different from what it is today, where its water reserves were clean and teeming with wildlife, as well as diverse fish populations. However, long history of industrial and shipping activity, as well as the influx of urbanization, has led to the pollution and degradation of the Hamilton Harbour ecosystem. Remediation efforts to clean up the harbour and replenish this natural ecosystem have been made in an attempt to increase its attractiveness and safety for recreational activities. However, one of the main contributors to the polluting of the harbour is a result of direct sewage discharges. The Hamilton wastewater treatment infrastructure is severely outdated with what is called a combined outflow system, where stormwater discharge and wastewater discharge flow into the same pipeline. After the water gets into the pipeline, it flows directly to the Hamilton wastewater treatment plant. The problem with this type of wastewater treatment is that under wet conditions, the plant can get overcapacitated by the sheer volume of water. In order to prevent backups, the mixed stormwater and wastewater is discharged directly into Hamilton Harbour, resulting in the degradation of health and water quality of the harbour. This has been a long-lasting problem where there is a limited number of solutions. Upgrading the wastewater treatment infrastructure would be an extensively costly project, whereas there are more practical methods of reducing combined overflows. One of the simplest but most effective would be solving the problem at the consumer level by reducing the volume of residential wastewater reaching the treatment plant. By reducing the amount of combined overflows that occur, this will serve to reduce the pollution problem and improve the conditions for future generations. There are two main technologies through which a household can reduce the volume of water reaching the water treatment plant. First is through the use of low-flow technologies, and second is through the use of gray water technology. Low-flow technology focuses on the concept that the amount of water used per minute by things such as shower heads, faucets, and toilets can be reduced greatly, while still maintaining an appropriate standard of living. This is done by using laminar flow or aeration. Aeration mixes a stream of air with the water, forming a misty spray that still provides adequate water for cleaning oneself. Laminar flow showerhead breaks down the flow of water into multiple individual streams, thereby increasing the efficiency of water used. Another aspect of water-efficient technology is the low flush toilet. This can come with a single flush design or a dual flush design. The low flush toilet uses a relatively low volume of water in its normal flush. The dual flush design has a second flush option, which uses even less water. Gray water technology, the second technology we've suggested, is focused around reusing gently used water, such as that from sinks, showers, and washing machines. Although gray water may look dirty, it has many uses both indoors and outdoors. Through the use of a three-way valve, gray water can be shuttled into the garden to be used for irrigation purposes as it contains nutrients. Additionally, recycled gray water from showers and bathtubs can be used for flushing toilets. Fixtures such as low-flow shower heads, toilets, aerated faucets, and gray water systems can go a long way in terms of reducing residential discharge during periods of peak consumption. If a homeowner made the switch to a low-flow toilet, this would both benefit the environment and put money back into the homeowner's pocket. What makes products such as these more affordable is through the subsidization of these water-efficient technologies. The government of the City of Hamilton will offer tax breaks for certified water-efficient technologies. Low-flow technology products and gray water appliances can be found at most major supply stores, such as Home Depot. You'll recognize the products by the green label and the WaterSense logo. A staff member can assist you to find which product is right for you. You can choose to either install the low flow and gray water products yourself or make an appointment with a mechanic. More information can be found on the package of your low flow product or gray water appliance. It's easy to apply tax breaks once your low flow or gray water products are installed. You'll find information on your eligibility as well as the application form online. It's important to know that as consumers, water, no matter how bountiful it may seem, there's much work to be done to maintain its plenty, especially in our case as residents of the Hamilton Harbor. It is our duty as major consumers of water that we take care of it by investing in the technology that supports the cleanliness of our waterways and the health of our aquatic ecosystems, so that we may not only benefit from it, but so that generations that befall us can utilize it as well. Thank you.